Guys, I hope you are all doing splendidly. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to wash a car the right way so that your car's paint has the maximum shine and beauty for as long as possible. If you're wanting to just see how to wash the car, go ahead and skip ahead a little bit when I start actually talking about the vehicle. But for those of you who are interested in the channel, recently my family got a brand new camera that I'm going to be using. It is a GoPro Hero 6 Black, and it's really going to expand the opportunities for this camera. So just really quickly, we're going to transition into the glory of the GoPro. So, and voila, just like that, brand new camera. This is now in 2.7K at 60 FPS, and it looks fantastic. So that's what I'm going to be using now for most of my vlogs and my videos. So I'm super excited about this. This is going to really make a lot of my filming more versatile, because I'm going to be able to take the camera places and put it places that I wouldn't ordinarily be able to. So I'm super excited about that. I really can't wait to get started with this video, guys. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to wash your car the right way. And this really is not as hard as you might expect, and you'll see that by the end of this video, my truck is going to be looking absolutely pristine. So I'll go ahead and show you guys kind of what's wrong with it right now. Also, if you want more informative tutorials, mods, and just general automotive content from an aspiring young car enthusiast such as myself, I would really encourage you to subscribe to my channel and come back for more awesome videos like this. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Alrighty, so this is my truck, 2001 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner. She's not the cleanest. It's kind of just some dirty and splotchiness. She's not super pristine and shiny as she should be. She's in really fantastic condition for a 2001 vehicle, and part of that has come from being well cared for. And there's more dirtiness there on that fender, some around the mirrors. There's a bit of bird excrement on the windshield, bug stains. So we're going to be making her look fantastic and nice and shiny, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. I'm going to go ahead and show you what you need. Starting off, you're going to want 2 buckets. These don't have to be fancy or nice, just general buckets that you might have lying around in your garage. However, it is important that they're cleaned out. So this isn't perfect, but you want to get as much of the dirt and stuff that might be in them from just being used cleaned as much as you can. So what I did was I took the buckets and I rinsed them and I scrubbed them out with the hose. There's a bit of, I think, dried up plants in this one. However, that's not a big deal because they're not going to like dislodge or get into the soap and stuff and the paint. And we're going to talk about why you need 2 buckets later, but you do need 2 buckets. That is an absolute necessity. Next up, you're going to want a good selection of microfiber towels such as these. These are not expensive, they're super cheap, and they work fantastically, and you can reuse them. So that's the other thing. The other thing that you're going to want is this Magyar's Ultimate Wash and Wax Hydrophobic Polymer Technology car soap. You can't just use plain old soap to wash your car. You do need a special kind of stuff like this. This stuff is not expensive, and it is a really, really, really high quality product, as you will see as we wash in this video. I know it may seem like I use Magyar stuff a lot. That is true. They make quality products, and I really appreciate the affordability of their stuff. This video is not sponsored by them or anything. It'd be cool if it was, because they do make really quality car care products. And finally, just a heavy duty brush like this is what we're going to be using to clean the wheels. Do not use a brush with metal bristles. Plastic bristles is what you want. As you can see, this isn't a nice brush, but it's your wheels, you don't need a super nice and fancy thing to do that. One other thing that you're going to need is just a hose like this hooked up to your house's water with some sort of sprayer such as this. It doesn't have to be something nice, just something that can spray water with a little more pressure than ordinarily so that your car can get sprayed off well. That's what you're going to need. And so now I'm going to show you how to prepare. So you're going to take your Magyar soap, and I'm going to be choosing the cleaner of the 2 buckets, the one that doesn't have the planty stuff, to put the soap in. And so it says on the back of the bottle, mix 1 ounce, in other words 4 capfuls of Ultimate Wash and Wax per gallon of water in a wash bucket. We're going to take this and put about 4 capfuls in. If you look, guys, this cap really does not take a lot, so we don't really have to worry about that. And as you guys can see, we are really not using a lot of this soap. This will be plenty of soap to clean the car. Now we've done that, we're going to fill it up with water. We're going to fill the other bucket up with water as well. This is going to be our rinse bucket. We're going to rinse the rags off as we wash the car in this bucket. The microfibers, not the rags. Don't use rags, that'll scratch your paint. And then we're going to get more soap on them from this one. What that does is it prevents your vehicle from getting scratched, which makes it look much nicer. Filling up the water. Alrighty, that looks good to me. Moving on to this one. What you want to do is you want to fill up the rinse bucket a little bit more, because that way you have a lower density of dirt that gets in there when you rinse in it. All right, now we can start on the car. So what you're going to start off by doing is you're going to spray down your car, as I'm about to demonstrate. With the car all rinsed off and wet, we can now start to wash it. I'm gonna open them up. Something really important is to never let a microfiber touch the ground, because then it gets dirt in it, which can let it scratch your car's paint. You really don't want that to happen. So don't let it touch the ground. We're gonna take it over here now to our wash bucket. Go ahead and get it in there. Make sure that it soaks up all the water nicely. Comes out looking like this, and we're going to start to wash the car. Alrighty, so we've gotten the front part of the car all soaked up and cleaned off. What you're going to want to do is at intervals, so for example, I've done the whole example. Wow. I've done the whole front of the car. I can speak English, guys. I've done the whole front of the car. I said that 3 times in a row now. Woohoo! And I've gotten it all soaked up, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rinse that part of the car to get the soap off so that it doesn't dry on and create water spots, because those are a pain in the behind and they don't make your car look nice. So you need to do rinses on the sections that you clean at regular intervals, so that you don't get water spots and so that it looks nice. And so once you've done that, that's really all you have to do. All that's left to do is dry it, which is going to be the last step. We're going to do the rest of it first. I'm going to show you guys how to clean the wheels now, and then I'm going to finish the rest of the car, and then I'll show you guys drying, and then you'll know how to clean your car. So that'll be super awesome. You guys will have the cleanest cars on the block, and I'm super excited for you guys. Again, if you're enjoying this video, please don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. So, cleaning the wheels. These are not the stock wheels. These are the alloys off of a 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. However, it doesn't matter what kind of wheels you have. The cleaning process is the same. It doesn't matter if you have hubcaps or anything else. If you have this plastic brush, again, as I told you, you're going to get in the soap and stuff, catching on the microfibers. And then the wheels have already been rinsed off, and you're just going to scrub them down and make them look pristine, clean, and new. And then you'll do the same process that you did with the car. You'll scrub them down, and then you'll rinse them, and that's all you need to do. With your wheels, drying them isn't as big a deal. However, if you rinse them well, they shouldn't make your cloth dirty, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. So if you really do want to dry your wheels off so that they don't have any spots on them, that is something that you are completely able to do. So yeah. Guys, another thing worth noting is that you don't have to just rinse the car once. You can re-rinse as many times as you like, so that the car is adequately wet for you to get the soap all put on right, and so that it doesn't get all dried out, and so you're not just wiping a rag over it and not doing anything. Because you do want there to be some water there so that you can really get the soap in. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides and the back, and I will show you guys how to dry it. And that'll be all for the video. Okay, so we got the car all washed off. I've got all the wheels cleaned. All the body's been cleaned off the roof. The bed's all rinsed out. So now we're ready to start drying. I'm not gonna be drying out the bed because that would be kind of silly, because it's just a bed. It doesn't really matter if it's got a little bit of dirt in it. But the rest of the car will be drying off. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna come over here to our microfibers. Looks like there were 3 in the package. Initially, I only expected there to be 4, 2 per package, but there were 3 in that first one, so maybe there's 3 in the other one too. I don't know. But we're gonna take microfiber. These things are super absorbent, and we're just gonna dry the car off like so. I'm gonna go around the whole car doing that. That's all you need to do. So now you guys know how to wash your own car, and we'll make an awesome cinematic when I'm all done doing this, and this video will be good. So yeah. Alrighty guys, we are all done cleaning her off. She's all dried off and she looks fantastic. So here she is. That, guys, is going to do it as far as washing the truck goes. I think it went fantastically. It looks absolutely beautiful right now. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this and that you found it informative and that you now know how to wash your own car. And if you're feeling inclined to go out and wash your car right now, I congratulate you because that's super awesome. That shows you taking initiative, and I'm super glad that you're doing that and that you're taking the steps to take care of your own car. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome automotive content like this. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any feedback for me or any comments on how I can improve, and leave a dislike as well so that I can get feedback on what I'm doing wrong and how I can do better. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for the car wash part of this video. But it's not over yet. Something that I want to talk about. As I was washing the car, I came across a little something that I don't recognize from prior times washing it. There's a scratch right there on the rear driver's side quarter panel. Now, I don't remember this, and I was thinking, how could I have gotten this? It's on the driver's side. There's nothing I could have rubbed up against the whole park or anything, and then it hit me. Pretty sure that while I was parked at school, somebody decided, for some reason, that they were either having a bad day or something I did wrong, and they decided to key my car. I will never in my life key someone else's car. Ever. Guys, if you're watching this video, please, I want to encourage you, even if you're having the worst day possible, please, 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 please don't key other people's cars. Some people, their cars are their babies. In my case, that is definitely true. And I'm not mad at the person who did this. I'm not holding any hard feelings. I don't understand the situation context, and I would like to know why, but it is what it is. But guys, please don't key people's cars. Be a nice person. Really, really, really appreciate that. Some people really treat their cars like their babies, and their car's not looking their best. It's discouraging for them because they like to know that they take good care of their car, and when it looks scratched, it doesn't feel like that. And it doesn't matter how beat up the car already is. To me, it wouldn't matter if this car was the biggest piece of junk in the world. She's my baby anyway, and I love her. And if somebody keyed her, I would still be sad. So please don't key people's cars, okay? But yeah, guys, that's the real end of this video. Just a little thing I wanted to throw in there at the end. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.